Good evening, Frank82, showing another four-color issue. This is number 336 from 1951. And as you can see, it's a Woody Woodpecker. Haven't shown Woody Woodpecker in a while. This book's pretty rough. A lot of browning, tearing. Staining, as you can see on the bottom. Probably my favorite series from Dell would be Woody Woodpecker. Definitely my favorite. I think this one he goes in the ocean, underwater for looking for something. Can't remember. I love that the Dell four colors, I think. I don't know about the regular series. I can't remember now. No advertisements. Like, the whole book is just all story, which I think is pretty cool. Every page you have the story and art. No coupons or advertisements or anything like that. Yeah, Woody Woodpecker is getting in a lot of altercations here with different sea life. Fish, shark, now an octopus. Oh, I guess that's what they were looking for, some kind of treasure. Oh, there's a piece missing on the bottom. I'll put the price in the description, what it originally was and what I paid for it. Yeah, one day I went to Center City, Philly, and bought like, I don't know, 35 or 40 Dell 4-color issues, 75% off. There's a loose staple there on the bottom. Can't complain. That's definitely the cheapest you're gonna get it. I've seen these on eBay. They even in good condition, reading copies they're still way overpriced. Comic book is over 60 years old. I mean, still doesn't look that bad, considering the age. And the staple's loose. And this is the end of the first story. This one has no title. $1,500 for a car. I gotta love the old days. Yeah, you can see it's torn again. See, the bottom piece is missing. As a matter of fact, two little pieces are on the bed there. It's not brittle, but if it is, it's like very mildly. It's not like it's falling apart. The first issue I showed on this channel, the Bugs Bunny Dragon, that comic is like literally just falling apart. This one's just a few little tiny pieces are coming off, but the inside's okay. Put this on the cover. Well, thank you for watching. See you next week.